Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm gonna go over a new program I came across. It's called the multiple income funnel, and I'm gonna do a quick review on it. Alright, now this is pretty much a business in a box, and it was created by Mac Mills is the creator of it. Now I'm in my back office. I'm gonna show you a couple things here now. This is the link, different links, different landing pages that you get. All right, scroll down here. All right, so these are the different landing pages. The traffic sources, you get traffic authority. All right, and now that's actually good, really good traffic, and I'll get to that in a minute. All right, now so far I actually got one sign up just this morning, and I just started the program last week. So I've been in not even probably 7 days, and I already got a sale. All right, and this is my leads that I got so far. All right, and resources. They have email swipes and stuff like that. Scroll down here. So they have a 7-day follow-up series. The company follows up for you, but I do recommend building your own list like I have done. Let me see. So they have web banners as well. More advertising. So if you have a blog or anything like that, you could put it on there. Social media images. You could post this on Facebook, and if you have anything like that, or Web Talk as well too. And more Facebook posts. All right, and then we're gonna go to my business. So profile. Let's see, and then boom. So today, this morning, like I said, I made my first commission. All right, and that's for $20. And then the whole system, well, the first part, income stream number one, which is actually the funnel itself, is 49.99 a month, and that price is about to go up. All right, so let's go over that right now. So that's income stream number one. Income stream number two is Easy One Up. I haven't joined that program. I don't really have an interest of joining it, but if you want to, you could join it. It's a pretty good system. I just don't see the need to join it. Now I'm in TechSpot AI. That's income stream number three. All right. Now it's a pretty good system. It's an automated system that sends out automated text messages on your behalf. All right. Income stream number four is Traffic Authority. You'd have to sign up to the Traffic Authority and sign up to their e-wallet as well too, and and then you'll be able to make money by selling traffic from Traffic Authority, which I purchased my traffic from there, and that's where I got my first sale. So it's very good traffic. All right, and then we're gonna go into the Facebook group, and I'll show you other proof that people are making money with the system. So let's see here. Click on. All right, yeah, and that's again my payment proof there that I made my first $20. Let's see. So a lot of other people are making money with this. Let's see here. Hold on. Let's see. Boom, right here. So Sam Randall, he's made over $1,600 of recurring monthly income with this system, plus another 1,000 commissions today from another income stream. All right, so that's one. All right, so This gentleman, Ali Sadi King, 100 leads and 2 sales. That's a 2% conversion rate, just about right for this type of source that he gets. 65 visitors and 4 leads, 0 sales. But the next time, if you look down here, he has the 2 sales. So a lot of people are making money with this program. Now, if you are interested, go ahead and click the link below in the description. Thank you.